The Pharmacy Zone Prescriber Service is a service available for community pharmacies across Wales. It involves trained independent prescribing pharmacists working at community pharmacies to prescribe and treat in a range of conditions that are above and beyond the common ailment service and conditions that traditionally would go to your doctor to see, which you no longer have to. It's an ever-expanding list of conditions, but I would say the most common ones are urinary tract infections in females between 16 and 65, ear infections, minor skin infections, things like infected insect bites and rashes and things like that, and oral contraception, so your mini pills, your combined contraceptives, things like that. We still assess patients, we still do blood pressures, we still do tests, but it means that those that are generally kind of routine, without complication, easily treated, can be seen by community pharmacies without having to go see the doctor. I would always ask your local pharmacy to see if they provide the service, and if they don't, they can forward you on to the local pharmacy that does. But the NHS 111 website has got more and more information on it around pharmacies. If you search for pharmacy, you can then type your postcode in, and there's a list of services available for community pharmacies, one of which is the independent prescribing service. All pharmacies don't do the same conditions. That varies from pharmacist to pharmacist. As pharmacists, when we first start, we generally are able to do one or two conditions. As we get more experience, we do more and more conditions. So I'd always ring ahead just to check, one, whether you need to book an appointment, and also which conditions they're doing. If they don't do it, they can also triage you to the local pharmacy that does. This service can be accessed by all patients. I'd encourage all patients to inquire, but it's not available for everybody. Patients who have got quite complex health conditions, or their conditions can require more tests that aren't available from community pharmacies, but the pharmacist will be able to advise that and then refer you on appropriately.